Hi everyone, so in this video we'll see how to make an easy pop-up card, a heart pop-up card. So all of you kids can try it out and give it to your dads. This is very easy, so even small kids can do it. So we will need some color papers for this. Here I have taken a little bit thick sheets. So if you have a little bit of thick paper, it would be good, or else you can do it with the normal paper as well. So I'm taking one light blue and one dark blue sheet here. So first I'll take the light blue, and both of these I would need of the equal size. So depending on the card size you want to make, you can cut it. So I'm making a very small pocket card with this here now. So first I'm measuring approximate size of the light blue sheet, the size of the card I need, and I'm just cutting that. So this will be the inside part of our greeting card. So outside it will be dark blue and inside it will be light blue. So fold it in the half like this and leave some space on the top and bottom and draw a heart like this. The side where you have folded it, draw a heart shape like this, half heart, because when you cut it then it would be a full heart. The important thing to remember here when you are drawing the heart is, like, you should have a flat portion where I'm showing this one. This should be a little bit of flat portion. Here and here we are going to cut. Make sure you leave enough space on top and bottom. So cut it like this. Do not cut at the flat portion like this. See, there's no cut here. Now fold it at this point. So create a nice fold here. Okay, now you can open the card and from the back just pull it up and fold it on the reverse side. From the back you can just push it like this and fold the heart in the middle. So again create a nice fold here so that it pops up. So this is how our card will look. So now you can see the pop-up heart. Very easy, isn't it, kids? So now our internal part is ready. Now let's get to the outer part. So I'm taking a dark blue sheet for the outside. You have to cut it of the same length and size of the light blue part. So I'm measuring the same size and I'm cutting. Be careful that both should be of the same size, okay? So now fold this also into the half. And here I am cutting some small blue strips, light blue color strips, to decorate the greeting card. So for decoration you can use different ways. You can paste some flowers, you can just draw something, you can just write something. So here decoration also I'm doing it very simply. I'm just cutting it strips of small blue paper. So this light blue I'm just cutting it into long strips and I'll be pasting these strips on the sheet like this. Okay, so I'll show you one simple way and you can use your imagination and create the card. So I'm just sticking one strip and then one more beside that vertically, and then horizontally also I will stick one more strip like this. We can create small paper flowers, paper hearts like this. So I have created one small flower and I'm decorating like this. You can even keep small paper hearts as well, or small flowers. I'll show you a few here. So for creating a paper heart, just take a small bit of paper, fold it, just draw the shape like this and then cut it. Very easy, half heart, and then open it and you can see the heart here. So you can stick a heart as well. Now I'll be cutting 4 hearts, and then with 4 hearts I can create a flower. So I'm just showing you different ways. Depending on whatever size of the flower or heart you want, you can choose the size of the paper. Because mine is a pocket size card, I'm using very small bits of paper to make my hearts. Just make it into 4 folds. Now at a time I want to cut 4 hearts, so I'm making it into 4 folds, a small piece of paper. Then I'll fold it like this diagonally, and then I'll cut it in the shape of a half heart. So it should be in a triangle form. Like this. Now on this I will draw a small half heart. Okay, so we can cut that, and now we will get 4 hearts of equal size here. You can draw a heart and cut as well, but just for uniformity I am folding it into half and again cutting it. So you can see 4 small hearts which can be arranged in the form of a flower again here. You can just put hearts like this of different sizes in a row, or now I'll make a flower also. Okay, so these are different ways in which you can decorate your card. I'm just giving you a few ideas. So kids, go ahead and use your imagination and create a personalized card. So you can make a flower like this. In between the flower you can stick a small bead or a sticker if you have, some glitter, some glue, anything which you have. And now I'll show you to create a flower as well. Now we joined 4 petals, right? So now in the same way, just you can fold it, but this time when you cut it, you have to see that you're cutting from the both closed edges. So for this flower making, in another video I will be explaining it in a more detailed way with a big flower, so you can check that as well. The only thing is you have to cut it keeping the closed edges on both the sides. If you are cutting it on the open edges, then all the petals will open up. Yeah, now if you are cutting on the closed edges, then this would be looking like this, like a complete flower instead of individual petals. Okay, so I already have some small blue flowers with me, paper flowers which are punched, so I'm using them here. You even get some craft punches which you can use to create some shapes. Okay, so I'm just decorating like this, and then I'm simply writing Happy Father's Day here. Isn't it very simple? So now the last part, we can stick this particular thing inside the internal pop-up heart. Now before that, we will just decorate it with few of the dark blue flowers on the light blue side. So for the light blue card, on the 4 sides I will stick these dark blue flowers, just to make it a little more attractive. You can write your messages also inside this card. On the heart you can write it, and there is some empty space on both sides, so you can write whatever message you want to write for your dad. And now we have to stick this here. Do not stick the heart part which is popping up. The remaining part of the card should be stuck. So when you're sticking, stick carefully so that it is exactly for all the edges. So equally you will have to stick on the blue card. Both are of the equal size, right? So it will look very neat. So once it is dry, we are done. So see how nice it looks. Isn't it very easy, simple, and a pop-up card? So you can write your messages inside and surprise your dad with this. Hope you like this video. Try it out and do share your photographs, the cards of your photographs with us over the Instagram, Mom and Geetu Instagram page. Thank you.